Everyone, my name is Thiyab Alfalasi, and in this video I will show you how to download Inventor and how to use it to create your own 3D models. First of all, what is Inventor? Inventor is a software used to create 3D mechanical design, simulation, and visualization. This software will help students learn how to create their own 3D models for their projects, and this is the purpose of the video. To download Inventor, go to any browser and type Autodesk. To get Inventor, you have to pay, but if you are a student, you can get it for free by scrolling down and clicking on Education. You can get any software for free, but in our case, we want Inventor. So click Get Started, and here you have to create a student account. After creating a student account, you will be able to download Inventor. After downloading Inventor and clicking on it, you will get into the home page. From here you can view all of your work. Before drawing, let's create a new project where all of our work will be saved. And to do that, we have to click on the paper icon and then projects, the new, next, and here you can name your project. Let's name it just project, then click finish. Okay, and now we have a new project. Done. Cancel. And to view all of your projects, you can just click here and you can view other projects, for example project 1 or project. After creating a project, now you can start drawing. There are two ways to start drawing. It's either from this drop down menu or from this drop down menu. It actually does not matter, and I will show you. Let's try from this one. Okay, and let's go back to the home page and open another drawing page from the other drop down menu. Look, it's just the same. And on the bottom right you can see how many pages are open. So let's cancel one of these, and now we have one. To draw, right click and then click on new sketch. There are three planes to draw on: the XY plane, the YZ plane, and the XZ plane. It does not really matter which plane you choose to draw on, so I will choose the YZ plane. Let's start with drawing simple shapes. For example, a 2x2 box. To draw a 2x2 box, click on the line tool, and I prefer to start from the origin, so click and drag. Move your mouse upward, and you can write using your keyboard how long you want the line to be, for example 2, and then press enter, so it will automatically draw a line. Move your mouse to the right and right 2 again and press enter. Like that you have drawn 2 lines, and then for the third line do the same thing and move your mouse downward and click enter. Or if that doesn't work, click back on the same line and drag your mouse downwards and right 2 using your keyboard again, or just click. Okay, and then when you finish drawing a square, click on finish sketch. After that, using the extrude, you can draw the 3D model of a 2x2 square. From here you choose like how big is it. So as we said, we want to draw a 2x2 square, so let's just write 2, then OK. Now we have a square, a 2x2 square. To delete it, just go and I call it the history panel. Click on it and delete. then press OK. And for the second simple shape, let's draw a cylinder by right clicking and then new sketch. Let's use exit plane, for example, and then click on the circle tool. As I said before, I prefer to start from the origin, so click and then drag, then use your keyboard to write, for example, the radius 3, then enter. You can zoom out by scrolling using your mouse. After drawing the circle, just click on finish sketch, again zoom out and click on extrude. So you can choose or just write the height of the cylinder, for example 4, and then click on OK, and now we have a cylinder. For the third, okay, and as I said before, click on the extrude, then OK. For the third simple shape, let's draw a sphere. Right click, then new sketch. Let's use the XY plane. And for the sphere, because it's a rounded object, we have to use the revolve instead of extrude. So to use that, you have to draw half of that object, of any rounded object. So let's draw a circle, for example 2, and then as I said, we need just the half of the circle to draw a sphere. We use a line to cut it in half. Just click and drag until the other end, click again, and now you have half circle, or just imagine cutting it in half, and then click finish sketch. And you also can delete the other half by using first of all, right click on the line again to edit sketch, and then edit sketch, and you can use the trim tool to cut it in half because you already have a line. Okay, and click again on finish sketch, and now instead of extrude we can use revolve. Click on the circle, on the half of the circle, and then on the line, and then okay, now you have a sphere. Yeah, and to move the object, doesn't matter which direction you want, just click on this box and drag. Click and drag. You can move it 360 degree. So now we know how to download Inventor and how to create a project. And I showed examples of simple 3D shapes using basic tools. Now you are ready to create your own 3D model of your project. And thank you.